Y'all, I'm gonna miss these so much. You don't even understand. You don't understand. But I know I'm gonna get them again, for sure. Hey guys, so I can't wait to take these out. They did a very good job of being great during half of quarantine time, but now it's time to get my curls back because y'all know how much I love my curls. So I'm excited to get those back. You can see I got build up. So let me start here. Do not judge my nails, do not judge my eyebrows, do not judge anything because this quarantine life is not it. Not it. We're all about to come out looking busted. So I'm excited to wash these and take them out, and I'm excited to show you guys how I take them out. Also, we're gonna be chit-chatting a little bit about how quarantine is going. But for the most part, I really did enjoy this style, and it is something I definitely will be getting again. And I'm just excited to have a clean scalp, and you know, you miss your curls after a while. Protective styles are great, and it gives your natural hair a break, and it makes you give yourself a break from doing your hair. But overall, I love my curls. So we're gonna bring them back. We're gonna bring them back. I want you guys to watch me take my knotless passion twist out. So keep on watching. So when I take out my twists or braids or any protective style, I like to first start by sectioning my hair into 2 sections. So I'll just put them each into half, and then after I get it into a half, then I will section that off as well and make another smaller section. I'll just wrap that up in any type of form. There's no really like technique. I just want to make sure I get a section small enough to where I can work with it, and so I can see where I'm going to cut. So as you can see there, that's where the fuzz is, really is where my hair is. So I'm going to go a little bit below that to make sure I don't cut my own hair, and then you just snip away. And after you do this for a while, like, it gets so simple to where you won't even really have to think about where your hair is versus where the extensions are. So I'll just go and keep chopping away. And after I cut it all off of that section, then I'll go ahead and start unraveling it. So this part is really easy and doesn't take long at all. You just kind of go the opposite way of the twist. So I'll just start untwisting it all the way until I get up to my root. And then when you get to the root, it actually, with a knotless twist, you're gonna start as a braid. So I unravel the twist and then automatically it goes into a braid. So then I have to undo the braid, and then it really just slips out after that. And there you have it. We have the first twist out. Okay guys, so after speeding it all up, this is what we are looking at. I pretty much have already taken out most of it. So all I have is this bun left and this one right here. So I'm gonna kind of go back through it and show you guys how I take this out. So I cut it first to a little bit so my hair is about right here. And so I go a little bit further down just to make sure that I don't get my hair, because that would be bad. So then I just take it and untwist it the opposite way. You can go super fast with it. Whoop, not too fast. Now when you get right about here is where it starts to get into the knotless part. Good Lord. Knotless, not naughty. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep going with this last section. So take my scissors and I'm gonna go down here. So that gives us some room to work with. And then I'm just gonna cut. But yeah, y'all, I said we were gonna chit chat, so we're gonna talk about this quarantine life. I don't know if anybody enjoys this. The first few weeks to me was nice, just because, I mean, I was able to stay home, which I'm a big homebody. So I already didn't have to tell my friends no when they invite me places because ain't nobody going anywhere. So that was nice. So I just been kind of like chilling, watching movies, enjoying the nice quietness with my dog, and I'm over it. I mean, it's just not fun anymore. Like, not being able to like see people, not being able to get dressed up and go out. It's not fun at all. Just like, so now what I do is I get dressed to make YouTube videos. So you guys are gonna get a lot of videos coming soon. Or I'm always editing, watching movies. So I mean, that's been still kind of nice, but you can only watch so many movies. But I mean, hopefully this is over with soon. Fingers crossed, because it's not fun at all. So I mean, there's nothing really new in my life because I haven't been able to go anywhere or meet any people. I was supposed to go to California and didn't get to do that. Very disappointed with that. So I've never been to Cali, and this was gonna be fun because I was gonna get to network and I was gonna be able to meet some other curly hair girls. So I was very excited about that. And it was like a week before they like start shutting down a lot of cities and stuff. So that's when I was like, okay, I really can't go, because it wasn't gonna be safe at all. But there's guys that you do get like a little nod, but you don't, ow, but you don't want to pull because then you're pulling your natural hair. But yeah, y'all, I'm still gonna go to Cali though. It's still in the works for sure. And then I also have a very fun trip in July planned with some girls, and really hoping that I get to do that as well, because this is gonna be like a once in a lifetime type trip. Can't tell you guys where I'm going yet, just because I want it to be a surprise when my vlog comes out from it. So I'll definitely be vlogging that trip, and it's gonna be a very, very nice vlog. Very fun. But other than that, I mean, I've just been trying to get back on my YouTube grind, trying to use this quiet time to stay focused on my goals and use all this free time to my best advantage, because most of the time when I don't have free time, I'm super tired. Now I get to actually like use all this time to do the things I didn't have time for. So, oh yeah, this is kind of cute. I really feel like I could get a braid out to look like this if I tried harder. And if I was to like do smaller sections, I bet I could get a braid out to look like this. It's kind of cute. It's gonna look totally different after I wash it though. Well, this style does not take long to take out, so it doesn't take long to get it and doesn't take long to take out. Oh, another thing that has been kind of sad with this quarantine is I don't get to model. And that is like my #1 love, is to model. If you guys are new to my channel, I do model. I am signed to a agency out here, and being able to model and set up photo shoots, because I usually have a photo shoot every weekend, sometimes twice, and not being able to do that has been really hard and different. Like, I've been trying to be creative and take like in-home shots. You know, photographer, actually we're gonna try to do a virtual photo shoot. And yeah, so 2020 started off pretty rough for all of us, but I'm really praying that it gets better because I have some goals that I definitely still want to accomplish. But you know, so we talked about some cons about quarantine. So let me give you some more positives. One positive would be that your skin, well, my skin, it's a little still broken out in some places, but I get to like really take care of my skin and not really wear makeup to let it breathe. And then also like I've been taking care of my hair, so really hoping to come out of this social distancing with some long, that ain't it, with some long hair. Like hopefully my hair just flourishes in this distancing so it doesn't have to be so social all the time. Because you know, when you go out and hang out with your friends all the time and you have curly hair, you're always doing your hair, and that's, you know, it doesn't get a break. So this way it's gonna get a break, it's gonna get to grow. And then also you can try new styles, some styles that you wouldn't try before and go to work because you know that you'd probably be looking crazy. Well, now you can do that. You wanna try to dye your hair? Don't, especially if you have curly hair. We don't dye our hair. We want it to be healthy. Like mine, I'm letting it grow out so all the blonde can go, and I'm gonna miss it, but it's time. If I do ever dye my hair, one, it'll be temporary and it'll be super safe. So I'll probably do like the hair paint wax, and then two, my hair is gonna be like at its best. I do not want to damage it ever again because my curls have changed over the years, and I'm definitely going to be doing a video on that too. I want to do kind of like my curl hair journey because I want you guys to see how I started out and how I was able to, you know, with blonde in my hair, at least get it somewhat healthy. And I know I'm jumping all over the place, but back to Cali because that is just my dream, one of my dream spots that I'd like to visit in the States. And I'm also been putting it off because I know I'm gonna fall in love with it, which is the scary part, because if I fall in love with it, then I gotta move there. Almost done. We only have like a few more. Okay, y'all, last one. All out. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. Y'all don't understand how much I miss my girls. I'm gonna wash, deep condition, and detangle my hair, so I'll get a little bit of shedding, but it's not gonna be a lot like if you had a braided protective style, because the twists are loose, so my hair really didn't even shed when I was taking them out. And even when I go like this, like I barely get any, so overall it is a very non-stress protective style on your hair, and my hair feels moisturized and soft and like thick and healthy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos that I do. But yeah, y'all, I am back. I know it's been a minute. If you guys are a consistent follower, I promise I'm back. And we will see you next time.